Welcome to Apple School of Knowledge. Today we are going to take our very first biology lecture. So topic for today is human brain. Okay, so let's start from the introduction. Introduction. The brain of a human being is the central organ of the nervous system. The human brain consists of three parts, namely the cerebrum, the brainstem, and the cerebellum. The brain of a human being plays a significant role, as it controls most of the activities of the human body. The brain is located inside the head, and protected by the skull bones. The brain consists of more than 86 billion neurons and almost equal number of other cells as well. Brain activity is made possible because of the interconnections of all the neurons that are linked together. The study of brain functions is known as neuroscience. An adult human brain weighs about 1.2 to 1.4 kilograms, i.e. average weight, which is about 2% of the total body weight. Let me summarize this. Okay, then we will move forward. Humans have three distinct sections that make up their brains: the cerebrum, brainstem, and cerebellum. The brain is the body's primary nerve organ. The brain of a human plays a key role because it regulates the majority of bodily functions. The skull bones protect the brain, which is housed inside the head and made up of nearly as many other cells as neurons, more than 86 billion in total. The connections between each of the connected neurons are what allow for brain activity. The field of neuroscience is the study of how the brain works. The average adult human brain weighs between 1.2 and 1.4 kilograms, or roughly 2% of the body weight. Parts of human brain. A human brain is primarily classified as the forebrain, midbrain, hindbrain. Forebrain is largely made up of cerebrum, thalamus, hypothalamus, and pineal gland. Midbrain is largely made up of a portion of the brainstem. Hindbrain largely made up of the remaining brainstem. Cerebellum and pons. Further, the brain hemisphere is conventionally classified into four lobes, namely frontal lobe, parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. The naming is done according to the skull bones that overlie them. Cerebrum. Divided into nearly symmetrical left and right hemispheres by a deep groove, the cerebrum is the largest part of the human brain. Cerebrum normally controls higher brain functions including language, logic, reasoning, and creativity. Functions of human brain. Perceive or sense the signal coming from the external environment. Giving sense of feelings and emotion. Regulating and controlling the human behaviors. Regulating and controlling the physical action. Regulating the memory function. Process of thinking, and other cognitive process. 5.